Hi there, welcome RMA YouTube channel again. So today we're going to go through a bit of technical expertise. Now, I've not been a mechanic for years. I was a mechanic, but today we're going to go through the importance of changing your engine oil regularly. So it's not just regularly, it's on the mileage, it's on the kilometers, and it's pretty much every year. Some oils are 6 months, but it's every year, especially with the temperature in the Middle East. The heat, the temperature, the dust really puts a wear on the engine. Being a mechanic, I've seen firsthand what it does to your engine. Smallest a thin of film of oil between every component in your engine. Every engine, especially the race car engine, are so minuscule. You need the best grade oil. You need the recommended OEM grade of oil for their engine. So we are a Caterham dealer. We have been since the start of this year, and it's our first dealership. But being a mechanic for all these years for brands like Ferrari, Maserati, Bentley, Bugatti, Jaguar Land Rover, we know the importance of using quality OEM grade oils. These cars are race cars and road cars. So the tolerances on these engines, but again, we want the longevity of these engines, especially on the racetrack. We're going to be doing the 26, 27 race series for Caterham and UAE, so we're going to be organising that. And again, Castrol oil will be used on the race cars and road cars. We'll be using Castrol Edge oil for our Caterham brands. What we're doing for November, so we're going to be giving away, with every car out of warranty, we'll be giving a free Castrol oil maintenance service with the Castrol approved service centres. So Castrol Edge, Castrol Magnatech, what it does, it's a titanium fluid strength technology. What that means is oil becomes stronger under pressure to prevent breakdown. Designed for modern high output engines, turbochargers, superchargers, direct injection, maximises engine performance, reduces friction by up to 15% compared to the industry limit, the general claim. So constant protection at high temperatures and high RPM. That's why we've went for it with our Caterham and the race cars, road cars, ideal for the UAE heat. And I cannot stress the importance of regular maintenance, oil service and quality grades of oil. Thank you very much for listening to me. Give us a like, give us a follow, and can't wait until the Caterham race series in 25, 26, 27. That's going to be awesome. We'll share more details about it. Really exciting. Thank you.